Aktor na si Ron Angeles, nagsampa ng pormal na reklamo kaugnay ng leaked intimate videos. Nagsampa ng pormal na reklamo ang aktor na si Ron Angeles, kaugnay ng pagkalat ng intimate videos niya na kinunan ng lingid sa kaalaman niya. Kabilang kasi ang aktor sa male celebrities na biktima ng leaked private videos. Naglabas ng opisyal na pahayag ang House of Mentor Q, ang namamahala sa career ni Ron, nitong Biyernes, March 20, 2026, tungkol sa kontrobersyang kinasasangkutan ng aktor. Ayon sa kanila, hindi raw isolated incident ang nangyari dahil ang taong sangkot sa pagkalat ng leaked private video ng mga aktor ay parte umano ng larger, organized network engaged in the illegal recording, distribution, and exploitation of victims. Ito ang nakasaad sa naturang pahayag. In recent weeks, several intimate videos involving known personalities have circulated online, including one involving our talent, Ron Angeles. What was believed to be a private encounter was recorded without consent and has reportedly been distributed and sold over an extended period. Let us be clear. This is not an isolated incident. Through coordination with authorities, we have uncovered that the individual involved is part of a larger, organized network engaged in the illegal recording, distribution, and exploitation of victims. This is a grave and deeply disturbing criminal enterprise. Hinihikayat ng House of Mentor Q ang iba pang mga biktima na lumantad at susuportahan daw nila ang mga ito kung sakaling magsampa rin ng reklamo laban sa nagpapakalat ng intimate videos. Bukod pa rito, hinikayat din ng Mentor Q ang sinumang may impormasyon na maaaring makatulong sa investigasyon. Muli ring pinaalalahanan ng Mentor Q ang publiko na ang pagpapakalat, pagre-repost, o pakikilahok ng mga ganoong materyal ay labag sa batas. Anila, to anyone with information that may aid this investigation, we urge you to step forward. Your cooperation is critical in dismantling this operation and ending this cycle of abuse. We also remind the public. Sharing, reposting, or engaging with this content is illegal. Every view, every share, and every transaction fuels this exploitation. These individuals have endured unimaginable trauma, and the impact extends beyond them to their families and communities who are also suffering through this deeply distressing experience. Let us all act responsibly on social media. The continued sharing and resale of these videos on messaging platforms is a punishable offense. We will pursue not only the perpetrators behind this operation, but also those who knowingly participate in the distribution of this illegal content. Sa huling bahagi ng pahayag ay pinaalalahanan ng House of Mentor Q ang lahat na walang kinikilalang kasarian ang pang-aabuso at pagsasamantala dahil maaari itong mangyari kahit kanino kaya kailangan ng pigilan ito. Anila, as we observe Women's Month, let this serve as a reminder. Abuse and exploitation know no gender. It can happen to anyone. This must end. Help us stop this.